Good day, sir. This is the report of Group 8, individuals that contribute to the development of social science in the contemporary times. Paul Hawkins is a British anthropologist born in 1935. He spent almost his life studying and developing the areas of social, visual, Dravidian languages, and medical anthropology. He had been the Dean of United International College Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities. He is the current editor-in-chief of Visual Anthropology. Stephen Thomas Russell is an American sociologist born in 1966. He is the Priscilla Panflon Regents Professor in Child Development at the University of Texas at Austin. He researches adolescent development, sexuality, LGBT youth, and parent-adolescent relationships. He published 3 books from 2010 to 2017 that helped in the development and received an award in the year 2000. Leslie Head is an Australian geographer, and she has been active in geographical debates until today by using concepts and analytical methods. Head began her research career using paleoecology and archaeology to study long-term changes in the Australian landscape.
Carl L. Bankstone III. Bankstone III, born August 8, 1952, is an American sociologist, author, and educator. He is best known for his work on immigration to the United States, particularly on the adaptation of Vietnamese American immigrants, and for his work on ethnicity, social capital, sociology of religion, and the sociology of education. Bankstone's second book, Growing Up American How Vietnamese, his 2022 book, A Troubled Dream, The Promise of and Failure of School Degradation. Bankstone won another awards for the book published with Stephen J. Caldes in 2017. Bankstone has also received recognition for his presented and published work. He won the 1999 award for outstanding paper from the Louisiana Education. James Burke has written, produced, directed, and hosted award-winning television series on the BBC, PBS, Discovery, and the Learning Channel. He created and hosted 3 seasons of the documentary series Connections. In summary, Burke connects the inventions of the movie projector to 4 major inventions in history: the incandescent light, the discovery of celluloid, the projector that used. Burke also wrote a series of Connections articles in Scientific American and published a book of the same name, 1995.
Jennifer Reich, she sees vaccine hesitancy as a consequence of societal pressure on the parents, especially middle-class mothers, to make choices that are uniquely suited to their own children in terms of health and education to maximize their chances of success in life. Kim Blankenship is the director of the Social and Behavioral Sciences, part of the District of Columbia Center for AIDS Research. Its mission is to provide scientific leadership in HIV/AIDS research and to work with the DC government and community to make sure the research translates into better prevention and care.
Christian Stephen Smith is an American sociologist, currently the William R. Kennan Jr. Professor of Sociology at the University of Notre Dame. He is well known for his contributions to the sociology of religion, particularly his research into adolescent spirituality, as well as for his contributions to sociological theory and his advocacy of critical realism. Paul Hollander was a Hungarian-born political sociologist, communist studies scholar, and non-fiction author. He is known for his criticisms of communism and left-wing politics in general. He wrote the book called Political Pilgrims, and it is about the 20th century Western intellectuals who traveled to the Soviet Union, Maoist China, and Communist Cuba, seeking to find utopian societies enacting their brightest hopes for the human future. Charles B. Perrow was an emeritus professor of sociology at Yale University and visiting professor at Stanford University. He wrote the book called Normal Accidents: Living with High-Risk Technologies, which explains his theory of normal accidents, catastrophic accidents that are inevitable in tightly coupled and complex systems. His theory predicts that failures will occur in multiple and unforeseen ways that are virtually impossible to predict.